Asuntoskeittiö Telaksa.
Today it's the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September is here. We have Lielahdenkatu 39th Tikesti here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Pirkanmaa, Finland. And actually this retention building had the doors open in the daytime before, but now they're locked with intercoms. It was opened in 2017, but well, we are here now and hopefully we'll get to the 5 other ones later. It was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1977, turning 45 years old in the next year, 2022. This is amazing.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2023. The SIN number is VS4953. The capacity is 4 persons, 326 floors. It's possibly also early 1977.
Yeah.
The same, almost the same sort of colors combined in the 1976 building.
Yeah.
And that's Lielahdenkatu 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very similar.
Mm.
And then it's 1975 between them.
Yeah.
All those 6 I filmed also.
Spektiit poikki vaiskuttaa, meitä ei puoltu sanoa skriptissä.
Yeah. Yeah. And the light looks original here as well.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. That's it. Or at least the lampshade.
Yeah.
So funny with this upside down too.
That's